Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common nuisance faced by many Fivem players, the dreaded no radio beep issue. Let's get started on fixing this. First up, let's talk about common causes of this problem. It could range from simple settings mishaps to more complex compatibility issues. Before diving deeper, begin by checking your in-game settings. Make sure the audio and radio options are configured correctly. Next, ensure that Fivem, GTA 5, and any add-ons you use are fully updated for compatibility. An outdated version can often be the culprit. Don't forget about server-side settings. Check with your server admin to ensure radio functionality is properly configured. Sometimes, firewall and antivirus software block Fivem's access. Make sure to adjust those settings so Fivem can run smoothly. Mod conflicts can heavily impact functionality. Investigating installed mods and their compatibility can lead to a quick fix. If all else fails, don't hesitate to ask for help. The Fivem community on forums and Discord can offer valuable support and solutions. As we wrap up, remember these final troubleshooting steps. Check settings, update regularly, and engage with the community. You've got this. And finally, we encourage you to share your experiences and solutions with others. Let's help each other out in this gaming journey.